Friends, hello, what is up? Let's talk about Gevo. So first things first, I'm gonna go straight into a chart with Gevo and see what is going on, what is actively happening right now with this stock. Should you buy, should you hold, should you wait forever for this thing to turn into something? Let's talk about that. So right now, I am an active investor in Gevo. I have talked about this company quite a bit, and just to give you a synopsis of what this company is, if you don't know, Gevo's mission is to transform renewable energy and carbon into energy-dense liquid hydrogen bonds. These liquid hydrogen bonds can be used for drop-in transportation fuels such as gasoline, jet fuel, and diesel fuel. So that is your little bit of info, what you are invested in with Gevo, what they do, what is their bread and butter as a company. So I have made videos in the past saying that Gevo is going to be a $20 stock. Do I still believe that? Absolutely, I still believe that. So friends, going straight into a chart, soon as Biden came into office, Gevo started to take effect. I think it actually started to take effect even before Biden was actually in office, but as it drew closer and looking like a Biden win, the stock slowly went up. And then when Biden actually took office, this thing really took shape, and it just did not stop since then. With that, the highs were amazing, the lows were the new highs, and the highs were the new lows. And going all the way to February 12th, seeing a $14.61 range. Now, February 18th, that week, the Monday was President's Day, the Tuesday the market came back up, so February 18th, Gevo dropped to $10.66. Now, that week, does that ring any bells? That was the week when the stock market slowly started to fall, and by the end of the week, everyone was going, okay, what's going on here? That was week one of the stock market fall, and since then, Gevo has done nothing but fall to the mercy of the stock market, just like everything else recently. But now into our fourth week with the market, we're starting to see numbers come back. Gevo is starting to come back here. Now, do I still believe this is going to be a $20 stock? Absolutely. But we've got a lot of ground to make up from this point. Everything that was on a high, everything that was honestly overbought and overestimated has just been brutalized, and now we're pretty much starting from scratch again. But Gevo being at an $8 mark, guys, honestly, that's still really high because this has been a stock that has just been really in the dumps the past even 5 years. But looking at a positive note with Gevo, why would this be a $20 stock in 2021? President Biden is going for a carbon-free footprint. He is going for every renewable energy company. He is promoting them, he is talking about them, which is why we have renewable energy taking off so much right now. And Gevo is one of the top dogs in that sector. And honestly, it's still a very affordable company. Now, Gevo was about to come out with its last quarter reports for 2020. But that has been rescheduled. In March 18th, they will release their fourth quarterly reports for 2020, which I'm not expecting them to be amazing because all of the good things that have been happening to Gevo have just really been since January. And since January, they have done stock offerings, they have taken in so much money from the market, guys. So by the time this last quarter report comes out for 2020, we'll probably be seeing the first quarterly reports for Gevo of 2021, which I expect to be pretty good and them to have a lot of cash on hand because of doing stock offerings. But friends, as you invest in Gevo, this is going to be a company that is going to constantly probably go up with more talks of renewable energy, and this would be a long-term play. I feel like I'm playing this as a long-term play because this renewable energy sector to really take over, it's going to take some time, it's going to take some finesse, and it's not just going to happen this year. It's going to happen this year into next year, and then, by 2024, things will probably start to look a lot different. And who knows what Gevo could be at that point if things continue to happen with the stock and they become one of the top dogs with renewable energy, then this right here could be a really great opportunity to get into Gevo. I still think this $8 mark, even a $10 mark, is very cheap for this company right now as a long-term play. And when I say long-term, to me, it's really a short, long-term play. But friends, these are my thoughts. This is what I see with Gevo. I love this company. I love this stock. I am obsessed with it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Remember, play nice. And friends, be positive, be you. And I will talk to you very soon. Bye, friends.